Today I'm going to demonstrate how to renew books that you've checked out from Brandel Library. Begin by going to the library's website, and if you scroll down under Quick Links, right here it shows the link to my account. You'll be asked to log in, so fill in your North Park credentials. And this dashboard shows you all the most pertinent information about your account. You'll see your loans here, any fees you might have, any pending requests that are still outstanding. Simply click Renew All to renew your books, or you can click through individually to renew specific ones. Now, if you have a book out through iShare, those can be found to the left here under All Institutions. You see we're already under the North Park tab, and you'll see any other institutions that you have material out with. So if you click through, you can find individual books from these institutions and renew them. Now, if you miss any renewal dates and you are unable to renew them from your account, you will have to come into the library and speak with us at the circulation desk. If it is Brandel material, we'll be able to override provided no one else is waiting for the material. And if it's an iShare request, we can work with you to get that resolved with the lending institution. And of course, if you have any questions along the way, please stop by. We'd be happy to assist you.